Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So you guys remember sometime last year, we talked about the brand new Metahuman that is now available for Unreal Engine users. Actually, this is available for everyone. It's just that the license says that you have to render in Unreal Engine. Now, the Metahuman tool has now gotten a couple of updates over time, but the brand new update is by far one of the coolest. Now, for those who have no idea, Metahuman allows you to create realistic characters directly on your browser, and you can simply use your Quixel bridge to connect and also download the source file for your DCC app or download it directly into Unreal Engine. And today we are getting some cool improvement. Now, I've already talked about some of the nice features that comes with it, and these features are by far some very impressive things that can help you create realistic characters. One thing has always been lacking: creating your own 3D character exactly how you want from a 3D scan, and that is something that is now available, introducing the Mesh to Metahuman from the folks at Epic Games. So right now, if you're thinking about creating your own 3D character by using a 3D scan of a subject, then that is something that is extremely possible. The folks at Epic Games just announced this, and this makes so much sense. So how this works is extremely simple, as all you need to do is get the Unreal Engine plugin, which I'm going to link in the description, and you can see that right here. So there is a brand new Metahuman plugin that is currently available right now. And for anyone who is thinking about getting their sculpt or their scans to drive a Metahuman character, that is now available. This plugin is currently available and compatible for Unreal Engine 5. So just in case you're thinking about getting up to speed with this, this is right here. And how this works is very simple. With the plugin, you need to just simply mark the eyes, the lips, and also the nasal labia. And once you're done with that, you can process this, and from that, you can generate a Metahuman model. And how that works is also very interesting, because from Unreal Engine, depending on your connection, this will be shipped over to the Metahuman cloud space, and the Metahuman character will be generated, and this happens through the Quixel bridge. And once that is done, you can either go over to Metahuman and start doing some nice things like some fixes and download that back directly into Unreal Engine. And for those who haven't tried Metahuman before, this is absolutely a very nice tool to look at. And the vibes that I'm getting from this brand new update is very reminiscent of what you can get with Character Creator. Although we're looking at Character Creator, the headshot plugin, which simply allows you to use a photo and generate a 3D model that has similar likeness. But in this case, Metahuman is working with a sculpt or a scan to actually do exactly that. And for those who haven't tried Metahuman now has a brand new set of updates. Now, some of the updates, we've covered them in the previous video, but for those who haven't seen that, then, you can simply take a look at the link in the description and check it. But right now, there's also even more cooler updates that you can play with. Now, at this point, if you're thinking about working with custom meshes for your hair and also for the clothing, there is a couple of nice things for that. And at the same time, if you would like to style your character depending on what you're going for, you can now do this as well, as the clothing features now comes with some very nice things. So you can add graphics to this if you want. You can actually add patterns to sections of your clothing. And for the most part, if you're also thinking about styling in terms of the footwear, there is a range of footwears that you can explore. Metahuman now makes it even way more easier for you to create characters that can be used in Unreal Engine with a brand new Mesh to Metahuman, and also some of the nice features that are currently available with this. And of course, for those who are excited about all of this, and probably you want to read them for yourself, you want to check up with all of these nice things, or probably explore Metahuman for yourself, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. I'm personally happy about this brand new update from the folks at Epic Games, as it gives Unreal Engine users even way more flexibility of creating very custom and personalized content by simply using Metahuman for Unreal Engine. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.